Hey guys, so this video is going to be all about TGIN'S new Miracle Repair prescription collection. So they sent me over a box of their 5 new products of their new line. In here, I hit my head. So inside the box it says, your prescription for stronger, healthier hair is here. Restore, repair, revive, or you see what it really says. But you see what it really says. It says repair, restore, revive. Okay. So inside is there 5 full-size products. Inside is the Miracle Repair Prescription Moisturizer Shampoo, the Miracle Repair Prescription Curl Food, the Miracle Repair Prescription Deep Hydrating Hair Mask, the Miracle Repair Prescription Leave-In Conditioner, and the Miracle Repair Prescription Anti-Breakage Serum. The next few clips, you will see me using all 5 products and giving my review on all of them and showing you guys how I did this style right here.
So I'm going to start out by shampooing my hair. I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair Prescription Moisturizer Shampoo. I'm just checking the water. You want to make sure the water is on cool or cool warm. And then I'm just going to scrub some of the shampoo into my scalp, focusing more on the roots, but I do like to use the shampoo all over my hair. I know some people don't do that, but I like all my hair to be clean. While shampooing, I like to detangle my hair. Just a finger detangling, just make sure I'm not creating any tangles or knots while I'm shampooing. And after, you just want to rinse your hair of all the shampoo. You want to make sure that you get all of it, not like I did. And then I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair Prescription Deep Hydrating Mask. This is their conditioner in their line. They don't have a true regular rinse out conditioner. They just have a deep hair mask, which is like a deep conditioner. And I'm just going to coat it all over my strands and finger detangle while I'm doing so I again don't create any knots or tangles. So I love this deep hydrating mask by TGIN. Like, oh my goodness, it makes my hair feel so soft. The tangles just melt away. Like, I don't even need a wide tooth comb when I'm using this. Like, my fingers is just enough. After I apply the deep conditioner, I apply the TGIN Anti-Breakage Serum, which is like an oil, and I just coat it throughout my strands. Adds an extra boost to the conditioner because afterwards I'm going to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes to lock in everything from the conditioner to the anti-breakage serum, and then rinse it out. And that's all. So I rinsed my hair out, and now I'm going in with the TGIN Repair Prescription Protective Leave-In. I love this stuff right here. My favorite leave-in of all time was their green tea moisturizing leave-in, and I really didn't want this stuff to top it because I was in love with that product, but this product right here tops it. Like, but I don't feel like I'm cheating because they're the same brand, right? Okay. So now I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and detangling my hair, making sure that there's no tangles, no knots, before I get ready to style it. Then I'm going in with the TGIN Miracle Repair Prescription Curl Food, and this stuff right here is genius. Like, I've used curl food before and always loved it, but I haven't used it in like a cream, like as a styling product, so I love this stuff. So I'm just coating my hair evenly with the product. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and separate a little section in the front. This piece right here, I'm going to twist it up. I'm gonna do the other side in the same way. You wanna make sure that your twists or the sections that you use for your twist are even. I did not, and you guys will see that a little later. But I'm just creating 2 little twists in the front. This will be a simple style. I'm gonna take my water spray bottle and my dimming brush. I'm gonna spray sections of my hair and use a dimming brush. If you don't know about a dimming brush, you need to get one. Like, dimming brush just kind of like clumps your curls together and create defined curls. You can either get an official dimming brush or you can get the knockoff like I have from your local beauty supply store. I think they sell both, or mine, they sell both. So I'm just taking each section and raking through it with the dimming brush. As you can see, my curls are more defined after I go over it with the dimming brush. And when you're spraying the water, you don't want to saturate your hair. Like, you don't want it dripping wet. You just want it a little damp. On a side note, you can see that my hands are a little tinted. So I just dyed my hair green, and the color is transferring from the cream and the water being mixed. And you know, when you just use a rinse, it kind of bleed for a few days before it kind of sets into your hair. So that's what's happening here. So now that my hair is all defined, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and my diffuser just so I can kind of get to my roots and dry them a little bit to create like a volumized look, because eventually this is all going to turn into a curly puff, and if I was just to put it in a ponytail now, it would be really thin. So I need to add some volume. So now I'm just going to take the ponytail holder and group my hair up into a puff. I'm only going to wrap it around once so I can keep the volume of my hair. So now this is the finished style. And I'm just going to brush, you know, my shaved hair down. Make sure it looks all clean and nice.